Hello everyone, today I want to show you something very amazing. This is a very beautiful emerald gemstone necklace made in 92.5 silver. You can see this center carving is adding so much elegance to this overall look and these pearl danglings. This necklace is accompanied by these cute earrings and you can see the craftsmanship, look and shine of the complete necklace. This is very beautiful. Also, you will get lab certificate with this stating that it is 92.5 pure silver with natural emeralds. You will get premium box packaging with this. If you want to know the price of this, you can directly DM us. For more content like this, follow Raj Gems. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Raj Gems. I know you all have been looking for an option in multicolor which looks very beautiful. So this is a Navratna necklace made in 92.5 silver and you can see the cut and shine of the necklace. The necklace is very elegant and beautiful. Also this multicolor Navratna, it goes with all outfits and you can wear it in every occasion. This necklace is accompanied by these cute dangling earrings and the complete look of the necklace is very royal. So you can buy this from us. Also you'll be getting certificate with this stating that this is 92.5 pure silver and you will also get premium box packaging. If you want to buy this, you can directly DM us to know the prices. For more content like this, follow Raj Gems. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Raj Gems. If you want to outshine everyone in your next function, then we have got this very beautiful ruby necklace for you made with 92.5 silver brooch and accessories. The red and green combination of this necklace is looking very pretty. You can see the complete look of necklace is very elegant. We have used premium quality rubies with good color cut shine. You will get these earrings with this necklace. The danglings at the bottom of the earrings are making it very eye-catchy. You will get lab certificate with this necklace stating that this is natural ruby with 92.5 pure silver. We also provide premium box packaging with this. If you want to buy this, you can directly DM us to know the prices. We are manufacturer of this, so we provide you the best price possible. For more content like this, follow Raj Gems. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Raj Gems. We know that you have so many weddings to attend this season. So we have brought this very beautiful necklace just for you made in 92.5 silver. Color cut and shine of the necklace is very beautiful. And these are quartz beads at the bottom. You will get these cute jhumki earrings with this necklace which makes it look very beautiful. We provide lab certificate with this stating that this is pure 92.5 silver necklace. We also provide premium box packaging. If you want to buy this, you can directly DM us to know the prices. For more content like this, follow Raj Gems. Thank you.